Morning. So we've had another special tool arrive. We're going to go out and do some things with the BMW. The beard should be over here shortly, or he's already here.
I'm already here. I just live in your garage, man. You should know this by now. So, Mr. Lee likes to have lots of things for his car. For example, tyres. We have many tyres in the corner. Brake pads. There are many, many brake pads on the shelf over there. He likes keys. However, this car, like his last car, only came with one. So today, we're going to take this AliExpress key and this hideously expensive Autel tool, and we're going to code Lee's new key to his new car.
Oh, it's like a real professional, like...
Oh yeah, we are consummate professionals in everything we do.
Wow.
So yeah, that's the plan for today. So join us as we attempt to make this work the same as this. We're not going to cut it, we're just going to code it so that, because it slots in like that, but there is a
hidden key.
One of those inside. We're not going to be doing that.
No.
We'll get the professionals to do that, I think.
Good idea.
Because we don't have the gear for it.
Yet.
So here we go, Autel.
So we've purchased a Autel 508S Pro, which came with an XP200, which you need to read the keys. And then we bought
write the keys.
Yes. And then we bought a $10 key from AliExpress.
Which also has the inserty bit in it, which will at some point need to be cut.
And then we bought 10-cent stickers to make it look BMW.
Yeah, and they're actually pretty decent looking.
Yeah.
So this is your original key. We've got this cable plugged into the OBD port of the car. So we're going to put the key into the ignition to turn the ignition on. Ignition is on.
And then the Autel basically just walks you right through it, so we're told.
You should have your car on charge. Do you want to chuck a charger on the car?
I can do that.
Okay, so this thing will read the VIN. We can put BMW in it if we want, but we'll see if it will read the VIN. So we're going to go auto detect. Scanning. So we're going to read that, and it's going to tell us it's an E82. Okay. Okay.
There we go. User error.
Decoding.
Decoding.
And it also gives you the battery voltage here, so we've put a charger on there. It's reading 11.8, which is quite low.
Yeah, it's sat for a couple days because we were commuting this week on our new scooters. Yeah. Review coming soon.
So it's a 1 Series, it's an E82 with an N55. Yes, that is the correct car. System data initializing. Please wait. And we're going to do a vehicle scan first, haven't we?
Yeah, let's go with that.
More status, turn the ignition on. Yes, we have turned the ignition on. So it wants to make sure your car is healthy before it starts messing with your car.
Oh.
What?
Many things on the screen.
No, it's just scanning.
Okay.
So far. So passing no fault. Number of keys, yeah, that's all good. We have a fault in the DTC, DME, DDE, which we know what that is anyway.
Yes.
I think that's it. That's it. Oh, we've got another one, DTC, that's the same one as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all good. So we're going to do key add guided. Connection, which it is connected. It should be by default because it was telling me about the updates it needs to be done. Turn on the ignition. The ignition is on. And we're going to do, it's a semi-smart key for this one. So it's not completely keyless, it's semi-smart key. Remove the key from the ignition switch. If it's a smart key, take it out of the vehicle. Be sure to operate as required. So, remove the key from the ignition. Key removed. Start for automatic execution. Yep, start. That's filling it in. 50%, 80%. Okay, so it's getting the password from the ECU.
What's the password? Admin1234?
Probably. Okay, CAS serial number, it's got that. This is an encrypted type of CAS. Turn on the ignition with a working key.
So yeah, pretty simple. Just follow the instructions on the screen and hopefully you don't destroy the car.
Ignition is on. Okay. Okay, the current CAS serial number version requires a working key for learning. Connect the device to the program and place a working key in the key slot on the slot of the program. Okay, the current cast serial number version requires a working key for learning. Connect the device to the programmer and place a working key in the key on the slot of the programmer. So that'd be this thing here. So, working key
in the XP200.
in the doober. Okay.
Now we make the fire.
We have a flashing green light. We're assuming that's a good thing. Where'd the other one go? That's here. Key information read successfully. Proceed to the next step. Okay. Generating key. Connect the device to the programmer. Place the new key in the key slot of the programmer. Okay.
It's funny how it just sits in there. It doesn't actually do anything.
Well, it's like NFC, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like black magic.
Yeah. We are going to have to open the car door in a minute
Why?
because you brake pedal on to start the car.
Why do I have to start the car?
To test.
Oh, well, if the ignition turns on, then the car will start.
No, not necessarily.
Well,
30%.
we can test it. We can move stuff.
Key generated successfully. Insert newly generated key into the ignition and start the vehicle.
Okay.
So that is Lee's original key.
Old key.
New key with no sticker on it yet. Okay, so blank key with no sticker. Key goes in. Oh, turn the radio off. Foot on the brake, hit the button. Hey!
New key.
Wow. Moved it while it was on.
So that doesn't take long at all. That took maybe 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
And it only requires this thing and this thing, which are not cheap, but
What does it say now? Key generated successfully. Insert, yep. Okay. Can the vehicle be started with a newly generated key? Yes, it can.
when the correct procedure is followed.
And we're done. So now we could hit start to do another one, or we can hit escape and come out and shut it all down.
Wow.
For you, sir, a new key for you. It just needs a sticker.
And some cuttage.
Yes, and what we could do is we could run this again, run the report, and it'll say number of keys is now 4. Why does it say 3? Because you don't have 3 keys.
I do now.
That must be a
Could be another one,
the
yeah.
previous one that was lost.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All good.
So if anyone lives in the Perth area and you have a BMW E82 or E92 or E90, we can now correct the key issue.
Yeah, we can code some keys for you.
Yeah, cheap.
For a fee, obviously.
Yes, but less than the $400 I was quoted.
Yeah, so you contacted BMW, didn't you?
No, I contacted some local locksmiths, and it was anywhere from $375 to $450 just to do that. So,
But the investment is in the knowledge of how it works and
Yes.
the expensive gadget to do it.
yeah, it's not cheap. So, onwards. Now we're going to do some motorcycle stuff.
Yeah.
That video will come out later. Buttons, subscribes, liking.